Situated on the Chesapeake Bay between the Potomac and Rappahannock Rivers, Northumberland County is part of Virginia's Northern Neck region. The county was created by the Virginia General Assembly in 1648 and is named after Northumberland County in northern England.
So here in Northumberland County, the majority of agricultural production consists of row crop farming. So that's, for most farmers, a rotation of corn, soybeans, and wheat back to back over a period of several years. We do have some other agricultural production. There's a little bit of livestock production, as well as some specialty crops such as our malting barley that a lot of producers are producing, as well as some vegetable production here in the county.
Farmers here are known for their high-yield row crops. Alan Welsh has been Virginia's top wheat producer for the last several years.
And then we use some chicken litter on it also now, but it's just a good type of soil, good holding capacity soil. It's just good organic matter that it's holding on to.
Northumberland County has a total of 134 farms on more than 43,480 acres. The market value of all agricultural products raised here is $20,052,000. Row crops like corn, soybeans, and wheat are the big players, accounting for 86% of all farm income. Livestock, poultry, and other products account for the remaining 14%.
We have some very forward-thinking farmers who are working very hard to stay on top, stay on the forefront of technology in order to maintain the yield and quality of the crops that they're producing.
While the principles of raising a crop without plowing have been around for decades, no-till farming is one of those innovations that has led to higher yields and a healthier environment.
To eliminate any nutrients or any soil leaving horizontally. So now what we have to do is take care of the nutrients going vertically in the soil zone, so we're able to do that with no-till. And it's just been a real nice enhancement for us.
Wheat, corn, and soybeans are the mainstays in Northumberland County, but new crops are also in demand.
I think you'll see more specialty crops, and what I mean that, like a malted barley. That a lot of breweries are coming online in Virginia, and other areas like that we're seeing specialties in wheats also, and rye.
With miles of shoreline, aquaculture is a big part of the farm community here as well.
As you can see behind me, this is the Potomac River. We're standing here on Walnut Point. Right on the other side of where we're standing right now is the Cone River. So there's a lot of aquaculture that goes on around here. A number of the folks that live on the Northern Neck and in Northumberland County are watermen, so they subside on, fishing, crabbing, oystering. Here on the Cone River, Cowart Seafood has their headquarters located on the Cone. There's a number of oyster cages raising oysters here on the Cone River.
Aquaculture in this county is getting bigger and bigger all the time. We've actually got probably 4 or 5 big farms around here between Little Wacomico and Great Wacomico.
Richard Harding is a third-generation waterman working the Little Wacomico River to the mouth of the Potomac. He's proof that there's a living to be made raising oysters.
We employ a lot of summer kids, and because the business picks up in the summertime, some college kids and high school kids, as you see floating around here now. Yeah, it's becoming, I would say the last 10 years, it's really grown dramatically here in this county.
Aquaculture accounts for $2,664,000 in sales in Northumberland County, making it the 6th largest aquaculture county in the Commonwealth. Harding says the special quality of the water makes a difference.
We're not real salty. We have a little salt and a little sweetness to it. Some people prefer a real salty oyster, but in this area we have a little bit of salt with a little bit of a sweet buttery taste, which is, to me, is a good taste in oyster. And this area, the central part of the bay, produces that flavor of an oyster. We're at the mouth of the Potomac meets the bay is right where we're at, and we have good water quality, so we've been raising oysters real well here.
The people of Northumberland County appreciate the benefits that working the land and water have provided them. They wouldn't have it any other way.
Can't get much more freedom than being self-employed and working on the water like we do. That is the ultimate definition of freedom, if you ask me. It's just beautiful work, and I love it. I'm excited to go to work every day.
In Northumberland County, Virginia, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.